Repair video part 2, 42071 Zachary. Let's get this nail out of the closet when we're repainting. Going into the bathroom. Reattach the towel, toilet paper holder, reattach the towel bar. And let's get the light glow back up. When we're in here, see if we can patch around that. Looks kind of crappy. Touch up any spots on the wall. You might be able to get by without painting this. I didn't see this earlier. Want to try to get this back in here flush. This outlet is sticking out. Looks like a hazard for kids. Okay, we're going to go downstairs. Need to replace the grills for the stove, and we need a new sink faucet, kitchen sink faucet. Throw out the garbage that's in here, clean and mop the floor, and touch up any spots on the walls in here. Back room looks good. Touch up any spots that we can. Got a spot up here. Probably do not need to repaint this room though. It's actually in very good shape. Just clean it up. Let's find out where that missing piece of trim, where that's from. Downstairs in the basement. Want to throw out that rack, and here are the bifold doors. Another bifold door for upstairs. Let's make sure the light bulb, all the lights have light bulbs in them. Make sure they're working. Otherwise, this is in pretty good shape down here. Add out with the rest of the garbage. And that is it for 42071 Zachary.